Hello again, everybody. I am back again with another video. I thought it would be really fun for you guys to learn how to make nachos because I know that is one of y'all's favorite things to eat. Let's get started. First things first. Good to go. Let's get our hair up out of our faces because I tell you what, we're gonna be really sad if we have some hairy nachos, you guys. We need to wash our hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's do it. Wash your hands, wash them every day. Wash your hands, wash the germs away. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we're ready to go. Let's get started. All right, today's recipe that I'm going to show you guys involves taco meat, cheese, taco seasoning, and of course, tortilla chips. All right, we're going to get started with this ground beef. The ground beef that I have here is 73% lean. I would recommend 85% lean at least or higher because we want our ground beef to be as lean as possible. The less fat, the better, and the healthier it will be for you. I also recommend if you have some sort of ground turkey or chicken, you can use that as well. All right, I have my burner on medium-high temperature, and we're just going to throw this pound of ground beef right into the skillet and get it browning. Woohoo! We have got that meat browning. We just have to wait until all of that pink is gone and the meat is all the way brown. This is just 1 pound of ground beef. For you guys at Head Start, I use 7 pounds. That's a lot of meat. Looking good, y'all. All right, our meat is no longer pink. It is completely brown, so it is ready for the next step. You see all that stuff right there? That's all the grease. We need to drain it out because we do not want to eat that. Pour it into your colander. And let it drain so it's nice and dry and ready to go. All right, now that our meat is drained, we can pour it right back into our skillet. All right. Now for this next step, you can use whatever taco seasoning mix you would like. Don't panic if you don't have one on hand. You can easily make your own taco seasoning mix with a mix of a few spices. I will leave y'all a recipe in the description box if you like. Miss Ashlyn loves hot and spicy food, so I'm going to use hot. Here we go. I believe most of the taco seasoning packets come with the same amount of water needed. This one called for 3/4 cup. So what we're going to do is get our measuring cup and fill the water up to the 3/4 cup line. You see it there? All right. And now we're going to pour it in. We're going to mix this all together. Now that it's all mixed up, we're going to bring it to a boil. That means there's going to be bubbles coming up out of the water. And it's going to be really, really hot. So be very careful. Do you see the bubbles? That means it's boiling and we're ready for our next step. Gonna give us a quick stir, and we're gonna turn our heat down to low, and we're gonna put this lid on here, And that means it's simmering.